How to fix lag in Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag easy and fast. So all what you have to do is download this app. It's called Game Booster and click on it. As you can see, now this is the home page. Let's wait a few seconds, it get loading. And now after that, this is the dashboard. As you can see, all what you have to do is click here on add game and choose Roblox like this, and after that you will find it right here. So all what you have to do now is just click here on Ultra Boost and make sure to deactivate this, and then go back and click on Boost like this, and wait a few seconds. It will start boosting all your apps, and after that go back and click on Roblox on it and wait a few seconds. It's now clearing background cache to free app memory for gaming and boost Roblox to max performance, as you can see. And yeah, there is many options. Now it will get more faster with more FPS. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.